Yo, what is going on, guys? Astrofx back with another video. Guys, thank you so much for the amount of support you guys showed on the last video. I can't thank you guys enough. We broke 100 subscribers and now we're on our way to 1,000, to the moon. I'm rocking that one of one Astrofx shirt. If you want to get one, let me know. No, I'm kidding. It's just one of one. But guys, today's topic, before I get into that, the giveaway winner will be picked at the end of this video, so stick around to see if you won. But the topic of today is, which was picked by you guys, is should he master one specific strategy? And I'm gonna keep it quick and simple. Yes, you should master one specific strategy. Why? Right? The thing about with mastering one specific strategy is that if you're able to really tone down your strategy, one specific strategy that you like and you see that you've been able to be pretty consistent with, or you're seeing some good results, right? With that, if you're following the strategy, you're following the rules, you're following your trading plan, and you're sticking to the fundamentals of the strategy itself, then overall, little by little, you're going to be profitable because you're sticking to your rules, you're not over leveraging, you're entering on a specific point in the market that you see as your entry point. You're not entering in every single move that happens in the market. The only thing that that's going to cause you to do is overtrade and end up blowing your account, right? So with mastering one specific strategy, the overall benefits are going to be endless. So I know that a lot of you guys starting off are hopping strategy to strategy, right? This is something you really shouldn't do. It's something you should avoid, actually, because if you're not giving a specific strategy that you find minimum 2 weeks to a month and following the rules to the T, then you're doing yourself a disfavor, honestly. Like you're not doing anything but letting yourself down at that point. Because if you're just hopping from strategies to strategy, you're going from just following fib to break and retest to Ichimoku to Bollinger Bands to divergence. Like if you're jumping around strategies and you're giving it 1 or 2 days just because you lost one or two, three trades, what is that gonna do for you? Think about it. Like nothing, because you're not allowing time and effort to the strategy in order to be able to see if you have any real results with it. So this is gonna be like a quick video because I just want to like say this because there's not much that you could really like talk about. You could just hop from strategy to strategy, but I promise you the results are not gonna be there. We all been there. I've done it. I've gone from multiple strategies left and right to figure out what best works for me. But if you give a strategy at least 2 weeks of your proper time, being able to first understand market structure, your trend lines, your supply and demand zones, being able to learn price action. First, those are the main things you got to learn. That's something you cannot skip. You cannot just come in the market and like as a beginner and not know anything about market structure and expect to turn on the Ichimoku indicator, the RSI. Oh, the RSI broke over the 80. It's overbought. I'm gonna sell now. That's not gonna work. You're gonna win 1 or 2 trades and you're gonna feel good, and then the next 10 trades you blew it, right? Because if you don't understand where the market's really going, you're like no strategy will work if you don't understand the market itself. That's like my point. So once you understand the market as a whole and you're able to read every time frame and identify what's going on, then that's when the strategy gets put in place, which then you could um use the market condition in your favor with your strategy to then make a bunch of profits and be pretty consistent. Even having, let's just say you have a 50% win rate, right? Even then, let's 51. If you have a 51% win rate, you're a profitable trader, right? If you learn how to trade with risk to reward, you're set. Because suppose you trade with a risk to reward of like 1 to 5. That means if you lose one trade, right? If you lose 4 trades, sorry, just off you winning one trade with the risk reward of 5, you pretty much get all that money back plus more. So these are things that you really gotta like keep in mind. take it back one step. Don't try to be like every other person. Focus on you and stay in your lane. Know what you want. If you want to be a trader, keep that in mind. Like, you know, like you're gonna make this shit work, because I blew $20,000 like trading US 30. I never traded on a demo. I was hopping from strategy to strategy until I finally found that like it's not just about the strategy, but understanding the market conditions as a whole. So like those are things like I really wish I had a mentor for, or like even somebody had told me, so I could, you know, not be jumping from strategy to strategy, which is why I'm trying to help you guys with like all these videos. Like, I don't want to do a course or any of that garbage. I just want to try to provide you guys with like free knowledge and whatever I can to help you guys be a better trader or even a successful trader. So, I mean, this was a pretty quick video. I didn't want to make it too long because it's just me pretty much talking to you guys. There's no like me marking up the charts or anything. But yeah, I mean, this been the video. Is just pretty much on the topic of should you master one specific strategy, and the answer is yes. So if you're able to do everything I pretty much spoke to you guys about in this video, then you'll see that you're gonna get some results. Just give it time, be patient, and really put in the work that you say that you are, and you'll see that like with time it's gonna come. I promise you that with time it's gonna come. Just don't give up. Like, trust me, like that's the worst thing you could give up. Like you could lose 10, 30, 50 trades, but as long as you don't give up, I promise you like you're gonna end up making it if like you really like want to be a trader. But yeah, that's been the video. Let me do the giveaway. I have 53 entries, so let's see who's gonna win this $100 or lifetime VIP. Zakiria Khalid, you're the winner. I'm gonna be messaging you on the comment section probably. So, but yeah, congrats, and everybody, thank you for watching. Remember why you started and keep grinding. You're not alone in this, so I support you. See ya.